picturing my face because I don't look presentable, but it is 8:09. This baby arrived at like 7 or something. Look at him. Baby. What you doing? Oh my goodness. Hi, you wanna see? Huh? Oh, wow. Okay. Don't pull the camera.
No.
Mama. Can you see? Oh my. Look at you. With your nice skin. We're back. The magic duo. I look tragic, but I'm not gonna apologize, okay? He looks good though. Like baby skin, you know? I love you. Hi everyone, so this is my lunch. I actually forgot to show you the whole process, but it's hamburger buns with fried potato chips and some of that chakalaka mixture that my mom made. And then over in this corner we have some meat, and I'm pretty sure something's missing. Oh, I have a narky, and then I'm drinking breakfast punch juice. I'm watching some TV. Okay, you guys, so it's been a pretty slow day. It's like 5 to 5, maybe. Like it's just before 5. And I think I'm gonna go start cooking. Yeah, I'm just making mince and pasta. No, actually, I'm just making mince and macaroni. So that's gonna be fun. Actually, it's gonna be really simple, easy. Like, it's just like one of those quick meals. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'll bring it along because I really didn't get any content today. So let's go cook. Okay, so we have our mince over here. I'm just gonna defrost that for a little bit. Yeah, that should be good. 12 minutes. And then we have our macaroni right here. We got some garlic. Okay. We got some butter. We got an onion.
It's really that simple. Just have a good time here tonight. It's
Okay, so that is done. This is the cooked pasta. I just put some parsley in it with some butter and garlic, and then I'm going to transfer this into here, but first I'm going to put some cheese in here. So let's get our spoon. We're just going to break this up. Then we're going to take some of this cheese and put it in here and mix it all around. Probably most of this cheese, actually. And we're just going to stir it in before we dump the meat in so that the meat can melt it. Okay, so this is the final product. Looks so good. Oh my gosh. And that is dinner done. Hi everyone. So we are on our way to go replenish, I guess. We're running low on meat, drinks, and some fruit. And what else? Yeah, I think that's it. I have a handy dandy grocery list over here. Yeah, so we're gonna go get all these things. We also need bread. So I'm going with my sister. My mom's staying with the baby. Hopefully we find everything that we're looking for. Let's go. Don't be suspicious. 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 Don't be.
Just have a good time here in the night. It's really that simple. Really that simple.
Okay, so I just finished at Pick and Pay, and I'll show you everything that I got from everywhere when I get home. We also went to Impala, but they were closing, so I had no time to like film the outside or whatever. So I ran in quickly, got the stuff, and came out. So I just want to show you quickly what we got from the store. Wasn't a lot, but we needed some stuff. So they're all mixed up, so I'll just tell you what I got where. Okay, so I got these two party bag some of the chips from Checkers because Pick and Pay doesn't have stock of those right now. The Pick and Pay by my house. Then I got a bag of these plastic bags. There's 100 inside, 50 sandwich ones and 50 meat ones, I think. And then also from Checkers, I got this strip of cheese curls from Checkers as well, along with these. These are for the baby, I think. I also got these pizza boxes from Checkers. It's by this brand here. This one is barbecue chicken, and then this one is bacon and cheese. There's 6 slices in each box. And then these Fritos are also from Checkers. And then everything else should be from Pick and Pay and Impala. Oh, we also got this tiny bag of peanuts from Checkers. So at Pick and Pay, I got this pepperoni pizza. I've been craving pizza like crazy recently, so I picked that one up. This was like 80 bucks. Nope, 70. 69.99 to be specific. Then we got 2 of these 8 packs of chicken. And then we got a thing of cheese. We have 3 Kit Kats here. Then we got drinks. 2 Cokes were from Checkers, and then the 3 Fanta Pineapple Stony Sprites from Pick and Pay. And then I finally found the spur sauce. I'm so excited, like, yes. And then we got jumping jacks from Pick and Pay because Checkers didn't have any. And then we got bread from Pick and Pay as well. And then at Impala, we got these 2 packs of lemon butter chips. And then we got a box of grapes. So that's everything that we got. I'm gonna pack this away. And then I'll see you guys later. So, I'm craving something sweet. So, just before we closed, I got a pack of this chocolate muffin kit thing. And so I think I'm gonna make that. All I need is the mix, oil, 4 eggs, and water. So I'm gonna do that quickly. Hi everyone! So my sister made dinner today and she made burgers. How cool does this look? So we have Woolies patties, some onion, egg, lettuce and tomato, and then we have homemade wedges and some cheese in there. How good do these look? Wow!